Hey everybody, if you've not used Tinkercad before, this is a quick tutorial on how to get in there and learn what to do. You might want to use this for some of your work one week because it doesn't cost any money, there's no materials, and it's on your computers, and I actually offer a whole class in this. So this helps you maybe figure out if you want to do this next year. Anyway, you're going to go to tinkercad.com as you see on the top of my screen. When you get here, you're going to click Sign In. After you sign in with Google. You're going to sign in with your PSD account. You may get a blue button that says confirm or something along those lines. You go ahead and do that. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of stuff in here because I use it for my classes, but for you, you're going to have a tutorial probably automatically pop up on your screen. Go through with that tutorial and do it on your own, or you can actually go to the Learn button right here, and you can go through all of the starters. And the starters, I think there's only 8 or 9 of them. The starters will show you how to do the basics of placing it, viewing it, moving it, rotating it, sizing it up, grouping it, and finally aligning it. And if you can do these things, you can do almost anything. Once you've gone through the tutorials, either the ones that are given to you in the beginning or through the Learn button, you can then go and do some of the projects. And the projects are amazing. There's a lot of fun ones in there. And let's see, where do the projects live? I'm not exactly sure, so I'm going to click through here. No, that's not where they are. No, that's not where they are. Maybe they're up in here. Are they in the Teach button? No. Maybe they're in the Learn button. Of course they are. They're right here. You guys probably saw that as I was going through. You were saying, no, Schroeder, they're right there. Well, here they are. So you'll click on them, and it will take you down to all of the different projects that are out there, and there are a lot of them. Now, if these projects take you more than 60 minutes per week, you can go ahead and just take an image of those things as you go, and you can keep working on them week after week after week. There's a lot of stuff in here, and you can also build your own stuff as well. So I hope that helps you. I'll also put up a quick tutorial on how to use the screen, the snipping tool to show you what's on your screen.